Hello, hi, how are you? Welcome back to this channel, I should say. But anyway, it is Good Friday here, and so Good Friday. Actually, I was searching on this thing, Good Friday, and it is a Christian commemorative day. Like on this day, 2000 years ago, approximate, Jesus Christ was arrested and then executed, crucified. So this is a sad and mournful day. So it is inappropriate to say happy Good Friday. It is not acceptable or advisable. So I will say Good Friday only. But after 2 days, like when it is uh, Easter, Easter Sunday, then I can say that happy Easter Sunday. And because on Easter Sunday it is remembered as the resurrection of Jesus Christ. So let's talk about our main thing, and this video will be very short. Actually, I've been here just to talk about a very small development regarding this book. Like there are almost you can see the tabs. I like it so much. There are almost 1100 pages into this book, and I have almost read, not just today, like in totality, I have read almost 1000 pages. So I think it was a very big achievement for me, because when I started this book, it seemed a gigantic task and a formidable one, but still I persisted. And there were days when I wanted to put this book down for some time because of my other priorities, not because this book was not interesting. It is very interesting, and every single book, every single part, every single chapter is very interesting regarding this book. So right now I am on the trial phase. Like Dimitri's trial is going on. There are cross examinations of witnesses, and this is like old system, old jury system. There are 3 judges and 12 jury members. So they will give their verdict at the end of trial. I'm not on that chapter yet. There are still 100 more pages left. So I have enjoyed this book so far. Previously on Audible, I've listened to this book twice or thrice, I'm not sure exactly, but that was altogether an interesting listening. But reading this book physically, chapter by chapter, and like messing it up with pencil marks and making notes, it was a very interesting journey for me, and I have enjoyed it, seriously speaking. So you can, I want to show you like how messy I make my book. Like you can see that these are my notes, and mostly related to vocabulary, because there are so many thousands of different words and difficult words, I mean, that I didn't know the meaning of. Those words like come across again and again. After some time I became familiar with them. Otherwise it was very difficult and almost impossible. So, certain words I had never heard before, like in speaking, but now I can say that I am quite familiar, and I should say quite confident with those words and some phrases too. I have, I have been this problem, I don't know since when. Like phrases are quite difficult for me. It's a big challenge, but I can't focus on it too much. But uh, in terms of vocabulary, I have learned so many words, and those words I use it frequently in my videos only and nowhere else. And for this video, I think that is enough. I just wanted to update you with the current development of this book. So now in my next video I will talk about certain chapters. Like I found certain chapters very interesting, like first interview with Smirdakov of Ivan, then second interview, and then third interview. All these chapters are fascinating and full of information, and the behavior of Smirdakov, how he talks to Ivan, like Smirdakov is just a servant, and how he interacts with Ivan, it is very fascinating. And okay, I will go now and will come back and we will talk more. Have a nice time and good Friday once again. Take care. Bye bye.